All right, for lesson 7-10, buying a house, what we're going to be doing is pretty much putting together all the mathematical work that we've done so far in this unit. Some of that mathematical work is on closing costs, your loan payment, interest, and taxes. All right, so we're going to be walking through this guided practice together. It says you have chosen to purchase a house for $103,000. Complete the following calculations that go along with buying a house. Step 1, determine your down payment of 5% of the accepted price. So again, we've dealt with down payment a lot. It's the amount of money that you have to pay before the bank will give you any money to help you out buying the rest. So we got to change that percentage into a decimal by dividing it by 100, which is 0.05. Then we take that decimal and multiply it by the cost of the house. So 103,000 times 0.05 should come out to be $5,150. Step 2 says to determine your mortgage loan amount. So the loan amount would be the rest of the money that it costs to buy the house. So we would take, again, the original cost of the house, which is $103,000, and we would subtract our down payment amount since we already paid that amount of money, and you would be left with $97,850. So that's how much the bank would give you to buy the rest of the house. Step 3 then says determine your monthly payment with an interest rate of 5.5% and a 30-year loan. And it says to use the mortgage loan chart. So this equation we did back in 7-2, way at the very beginning. To get the monthly payment, you got to take the amount of the mortgage divided by 1,000. So that would be 97,850 divided by 1,000. And then you multiply it by the monthly payment for a $1,000 loan. And that chart is at the bottom of the page. So if we scroll down, here's our chart. The percentage or interest rate was 5.5%, and the length of the loan was 30 years. So where those two intersect would be 5.68. So we would multiply this by 5.68. So if we type this into our calculators, oops, sorry about that. There's our monthly payment, and you can round it to 2 decimal places, so $555.79.